And we see them, some of them actually, in a lion's den. Somebody sitting in a heap of ashes. We see a person like that sitting in an Egyptian den. But what glory they brought for God's name. And Nen's life is one of them. And so I like us to just sing softly the song through it all. And I would ask Amber to just play for us. Those who know, let's sing what Nen would have sung. Okay? If she were here today. Just the chorus. Just the chorus. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word. I wish Myang was here. Oh, yes. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus upon His word. Let's have that faith to trust in Jesus always. Thank you so much.
Mountains of desperation. You have climbed, you have fought, you have won. But this valley that lies coldly before you casts a shadow you cannot overcome. And just when you thought you had it all together, you knew every verse to get you through. But this time all the sorrow broke more than just your heart. And reciting all those verses just won't do. When answers aren't enough, there is Jesus. He's more than just an answer to your prayer, and your heart will find a safe and peaceful refuge. When answers aren't enough, He is there. Instead of asking why did it happen, think of where He can lead you from here. And as your pain is slowly easing, you can find a greater reason to live your life triumphant through the tears. When answers aren't enough, there is Jesus. He's more than just an answer to your prayer, and your heart will find a safe and peaceful refuge. When answers aren't enough, He is there, He is there. When answers aren't enough, there is Jesus. He's more than just an answer to your prayer, and your heart will find a safe and peaceful refuge. When when answers aren't enough, when answers aren't enough, when answers aren't enough, He is there. He is there. When answers aren't enough, He is there. He's
We will sing when the roll is called up yonder. Let's all stand up. When the trumpet of the Lord shall sound and time shall be no more, and the morning breaks eternal, bright and fair, when the saints of earth shall gather over on the other shore, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. Let's sing the last verse. Let us labor for the Master, the dawn of setting sun. Let us talk of all His wondrous love and care. Then when all the life is over and our work on earth is done, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. When the roll is called up yonder, 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 I'll be there. Magampun ta. Walay kinutuban nga Dios, tagiya sa langit ug sa yuta, among magbubuhat, manluluwas. Amo kang dayi Ginoo tungod sa imong kabalaka alang kanamo. Salamat o Dios nga bisan taliwala sa mga gumunhap sa kinabuhi. Salamat nga ikaw adunay mga pasalig. Salamat sa imong mga pulong nga hinaot paunta nga kadtong mga pulong nga gibatbat gikan sa Balang Kasulatan mo'y pahupay sa mga kasubanan og magahatag og paglaom nga luyo sa kamatayon aduna pay kinabuhi. O ginaot pa unta Dios nga ikaw padala sa imong balang espiritu nga maoy comfort, maoy padasig sa pagbati sa Carpena family, sa panimalay sa Carpena of Aviles, nga dili sila mawadan sa maong paglaom sa adlaw-adlaw nga sa maong mga saad nimo sa Balang Kasulatan nga dito unya sa pagkabanhaw kami aduna pay panaghiusa kauban sa ilang minahal sa kinabuhi. Salamat o Dios sa imong mga pulong, ginaot pa unta nga imo kaming tudluan adlaw-adlaw sa pagpamalandong sa kinabuhi, sa pag-ihap sa among mga adlaw, aron sa ingon ini kami magmalamon sa among pagkinabuhi nining yuta, aron nga sa ingon niya na og matapos na ang among pagkinabuhi, o Dios, niya ng langit nung baybayon, og pagkatawago na ang among mga ngalan, kami magapakig-uban kanimo hangtod sa walay katapusan. Amo kini ginatugyan o gilawmang madawat sa ngalan ug gahom ni Ginoong Hesus nga among manluluwas. Amen.
Thank you for coming, and may we all continue to uplift the Carpenas family in our prayers. God bless us all.